next experiment is experiment number 6. जेव्हा theory सांगतो तेव्हा माझ्याकडे करत जा थोडं. Experiment number 6, use of different knobs on front panel to measure the waveforms. Now see, this is our CRO. Range is was 20 megahertz and it is a dual trace oscilloscope. This is CRO, and these are the different controls, that is front panel controls on the CRO. We'll see, start from here. Now my first knob is simple switch on and off. Then second one is you can adjust the intensity by using this knob. Then third one is trace, your waveform you can trace. First of all we will select here ground, and by using this or by using here screwdriver you can adjust the trace of this line. Means right now my line is this one, you can adjust line or you can change the alignment of this one by using this trace. Then this is my focus knob. By using this focus knob you can change the focus sharpness. See, get it? This is focus, and there are two channels. This is for channel 1 controls and this is for channel 2 controls. For channel 1 and channel 2 there is a separate knob for voltage per division knob, and this is my time per division knob. This knob is common for both the channels, means it is related with horizontal, means I want to measure time. See, this is knob. By changing this knob, see the shape of your waveform will change. Right now it is at the second, then it is in millisecond, 10, 5, 2, 1 millisecond, 0.5, it is a multiplier. Then next one is, see, it is right now my knob is present at the microsecond, like this, means your waveform will be changed here, like the shape of this waveform will change. Now this is our time per division knob, and what are the functions of this knob? You have to keep at open position, not required here. These are the knob now in this is channel 1, channel 2. Time per division is common for both the channel 1 and channel 2. Now see, what is the function of this? This function also required for here. If you want to move your waveform in vertical direction, you can move. This is by using this knob. If you want to move your waveform in vertical direction for channel number 2, channel is not connected here. That's why see, one straight line is there. My channel 2 is not connected, or there is no connection for with this function generator. That's why only straight line will be getting for channel 2. Means also you can observe here, for channel 2 you can move your waveform in vertical direction by using this knob. Means my waveform should be visible within the screen, and this one can be adjusted by using this knob. Sometimes maybe happen if you want to adjust your waveform in horizontal directions, now you can adjust by using this knob. This is horizontal knob. By using this variable knob you have to keep it is in off position. By using this level knob you can hold your waveform. See, this is hold your waveform. Now this is my one knob is there. You can select the ground and you can take the reference axis. Now see, by pressing this ground, then you can adjust your ground or you can take the reference at any axis. Any axis in the means of course it is a x axis, means कौन सी भी line पे आप उसको adjust कर सकते हो. This is ground position. Now this is one more thing, one knob is there. If you want to measure DC, then this is DC. If you want to measure AC, then this is my AC. मतलब अगर AC है तो knob press होना चाहिए, अगर DC है तो knob आपका open होना चाहिए. Right now it is DC. Similarly for channel 2 के लिए भी वैसा ही है. Ground is there, AC DC is there, vertical, and this is my hold per division knob. This is hold per division knob, this is hold per division knob. Now by changing the position of this, see, amplitude is adjusted, but there is no change in the reading. Reading is coming from this function generator. See, this is my function generator. Now frequency, this is digital function generator. Directly you can change the frequency. If you want to change the frequency, then press here, then you can change the frequency. See, get it? My frequency will change here. Means my waveform will be like this. Now if you want to change the amplitude, then select this one and you can change the amplitude, right? See, get it, amplitude like this, frequency like this. This is about the functions, and amplitude you can change from this function generator and you are applying to this channel 1. And right now I want to measure here amplitude directly. आपको यहाँ से डिजिटल है इसलिए आपको पता चलेगा कि कितना है, फ्रीक्वेंसी भी आपको मालूम होगी, बट in this experiment you have to find out what is the frequency or time. It is a combination of two experiments, means experiment number 6 and 7, it is combination of both. Means how to calculate, means how to measure the amplitude, and how to measure the time, and how to measure the frequency. Now see, मैं frequency थोड़ा waveform sharpness बनाता हूँ और उसका एम्पलीट्यूड भी थोड़ा कम कर देता हूँ. एम्पलीट्यूड इज चेंज लाइक दिस. सी दिस इज एम्पलीट्यूड. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी हियर, right now I want to measure amplitude. How to measure amplitude? Amplitude, it is related with y-axis. Now I am shifting this waveform. See, I want to measure peak to peak voltage, means from this point to this point. How? Now first of all, see, adjust your waveform. Tip of this here, means it is here. Now what is the height of this? How many square here? See, squares are like this. See, 1 2 3 4, exact 4 है, right? exact 4 है, right? अगर 4 से थोड़ा ऊपर रहता था तो 0.2 0.4 0.6 like this you can take the readings. Now see, 1 2 3 4, amplitude is what? Amplitude is nothing but number of vertical slots or vertical squares. How many square? 1 2 3 4 multiplied by voltage per division knob, which channels you are using. Again it is depends on this. I am using channel 1, therefore 1 2 3 4 4 into 0.5 means how much it is? 4 into 0.5 is 2.0, means my voltage is 2 volt peak to peak. How much it is? 2 volt peak to peak. नाउ सी, देखो यहाँ पे डिजिटल आपको बता रहा है फंक्शन जनरेटर हियर. सी, दिस इज 2 वोल्ट पिक टू पिक एंड माय मेजर्ड वैल्यू आल्सो 2 वोल्ट पिक टू पिक. गेट इट? दिस इज फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ एम्पलीट्यूड. इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 6 and 7. रिमेंबर दिस वन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज आई वांट टू मेजर हियर फ्रीक्वेंसी, बट फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी you must know what is the time. Now if it is frequency, then frequency directly here getting it is 1.3 kilohertz. This is my frequency. frequency select किया तो मुझे यहाँ पे frequency डिस्प्ले हो गई. दिस इज डिजिटल मीटर, मीन्स यहाँ पे आपको डायरेक्टली पता चल गया कि 1.3 किलोहर्ट्ज मैंने अप्लाई किया है. बट व्हाट इज द मेजर्ड वैल्यू? मेजर्ड वैल्यू, हाउ टू मेजर हियर? सी ये टिप से लेके ये टिप तक हाउ मेनी स्लॉट्स, मीन्स इट इज़ रिलेटेड विथ हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस. तो मैं इसको एडजस्ट कर लेता हूँ, एक बार इसको नीचे लेता हूँ ऐसा, तो ये रेफरेंस ले रहा हूँ मैं. गेट इट? एंड एडजस्ट हॉरिजॉन्टली. सी this is my tip is present over here. Now see, 1 2 3 and 3.6. 1 2 3 एंड ये खत्म हो रहा है 3.6 पे. मीन्स माई रीडिंग इज फॉर टाइम के लिए मेरी रीडिंग हो गई t इज इक्वल्स टू माई टाइम पीरियड t इज इक्वल्स टू 3.6 into time per division of where is it? It is 0.2 millisecond, means 0.2 millisecond, right? Therefore 3.6 into 0.2, how much it is? 2 6 12, carry 1, 3 2 6, plus 1 7, 1 2 1 2, 0.72 millisecond. This is my time, but you have to calculate what is the frequency. F is equals to 1 upon t. 1 upon t का वैल्यू मुझे मिल रहा है 1 upon 0.72 इंटू 10⁻³ मिली का. देन फ्रीक्वेंसी F इज इक्वल्स टू, ये ऊपर चला जाएगा तो ये किलो में बने